Hello my natural babies, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, you're also welcome. Today we are going to be making an avocado mask for our hair for shine and softness. And right now what I'm doing is cutting the avocado in half, removing the seed out. And this is how I remove my seed. It's like the easiest way you can do it. Just take your knife, stab it right in there, and it'll come right out. So now I got a spoon, and I'm going to scoop out the flesh of the inside of the avocado and put it right into my blender. And for this recipe, I'm going to be using a whole avocado. I have a lot of hair, so I need it. And that's my son Isaiah. Alright, so now we have the natural coconut oil we're going to add to it. I got some honey. And I never measure anything. I'm more of an eyeball kind of girl. I just eyeball it. It usually comes out great every time. So now I'm going to add olive oil just because anything I do, I add olive oil. I love olive oil. Okay, so now I got eggs I'm going to add for protein. And I'm going to use 2 because, like I said before, my hair is really thick. So I need it. Alright, now that you have all your ingredients inside the blender, you're going to start blending it all up together. And for me, I prefer to use the blender because it's a lot easier to mix all of the products together instead of trying to mix it with a mixer. And for some reason it wasn't turning, so I added a little more olive oil to it so that it can blend in good. And if you need to, feel free to go ahead and take a spoon and help your blender a little bit because it is a lot of thick stuff in there. Now that you feel like your mixture is blended good, go ahead and take it right out the blender and you're ready for application now. Ooh. Looks yummy. Okay guys, and now we're ready for the application part. So what we're going to do is make sure that our hair is slightly damp. I've already done this off camera, so it's not damp, but it's it's wet. You don't want to apply your mask to dry hair. Alright, so I'm starting off with parting my hair in 4 sections. It's very easy to manage when it's in 4 sections like this. And it really doesn't matter about your parts or anything because as long as you got it in 4 sections where you can work each section, it'll work out for you. So now that you have your hair parted in 4 sections, you can go ahead and start applying your mask. For me, I prefer to apply my mask in the praying hand motion. And then I also always massage my scalp. I cannot stress my natural babies enough to massage your scalp as much as possible. Massaging your scalp helps blood flow and it will increase hair growth. So it's very important that you do this. I literally massage my scalp every time I think about it. So what I'm doing here is just detangling as I go. It'll make my washing process a lot easier to wash it out, and then it won't be so tangled. Just while applying, I can already tell the difference. Like, I can already tell, like, my curls are starting to pop a little more, and it's already feels softer. And to be completely honest, the avocado mask doesn't even smell bad at all. It has no kind of nasty smell to it, unlike that rice water I be using. Speaking of rice water, I have a video coming up soon, so stay tuned. Then I'm going to show you how I make my rice water not so stinky. So this is the last section, and what I'm doing here is still massaging my scalp and detangling as I go, trying to make my washing process a lot more easier than what it usually is. Okay, and here's my hair all dried out. No product, no nothing. My hair is so soft. It feels so good. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, it looks a little frizzy, but that's only because of the fact that I didn't put any kind of product after I just let it dry. And this is the final effect. Okay guys, and that's it for this video. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, hit that thumbs up. Also, if you have any comments to leave below, feel free to do so. If you're been with my channel and you've already been subscribed, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.